how to switch to English dub on Crunchyroll app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can switch to English dub on Crunchyroll app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Crunchyroll app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, from here tap on the browse button at the bottom center of the app. After that, tap on this button at the top right and then tap on dubbed under the language section. Then tap on update filters and now you will be able to see all the dubbed anime on Crunchyroll. If you want to find a specific dubbed anime, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen and then search for that anime. Now, you'll be able to see the search results, so if the anime is dubbed in English, it will say dub underneath the seasons and episodes count. So that's how you can switch to English dub on Crunchyroll app. That's all for this video.